Welcome to the dbForge tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate you how to create a repository on GitHub and then link your database to it using source control. Before we start, make sure you have an active GitHub account and the Git client for Windows installed on your machine. Ready? Let's begin. Open the GitHub website, log into your account, and then select New Repository. In the window that opens, provide all the required details to create a repository. Once done, click Create Repository. Next, you need to create an empty folder on your computer where the local repository will be stored. Now you are ready to clone the repository from GitHub to your computer. On github.com, navigate to the main page of your repository and click Code. Then copy the URL for the repository. We will clone the repository using HTTPS. So far, so good. Now open Command Prompt and change the current working directory to the location where you want to place the clone directory. Type git clone and then paste the URL you've just copied. Press Enter to create your local clone. Note that when cloning a repository, you should add a space and a period at the end of the command to clone the content directly into the folder you created. If you omit this, Git will create an additional subfolder. Next, execute these two commands. Great, we've successfully cloned our GitHub repository. Next, we need to link a database to it. For this, we will use the specialized dbForge tool designed for version controlling databases. Open dbForge Studio for MySQL. In Object Explorer, right-click the database you want to link to source control and select Source Control, Link Database to Source Control. On the link page of the Link Database to Source Control wizard, click Add in the Source Control Repository field. Next, in the Source Control Repository Properties dialog that opens, select Git from the Source Control System drop-down list and provide a path to your local repository. The dbForge tool will store SQL scripts in it. Click Test to verify that the database can be successfully connected to source control. Next, click OK to apply the changes and close the Source Control Repository Properties dialog. Now you need to select a database development model. We select the dedicated model, under which developers work on their own local copy of the database and later commit changes to a centralized repository. Finally, click Link to link the database to source control. Refresh the Explorer. The linked database will have a corresponding icon, indicating that the database is now under version control. Finally, you will need to add your database objects to the repository in the initial commit. To do this, in the Source Control window, go to the Local Changes section, select the objects you want to add, write a commit message, and click Commit. Congratulations! You have successfully created a GitHub repository, cloned it to your local machine, and linked a database to it. Now you can version control database schemas and static table data, commit and revert changes, visually view and resolve conflicts, and track all changes. Ready to give it a go yourself? Just download a free 30-day trial of the dbForge tool and see how easy it is to version control database changes. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for the latest database tutorials. Thank you for watching.